putting in a heater, Espar D2 or S2D2L heater for the van. It runs off of diesel, so I'm going to document it as we go. Today's Espar heater install. Actually, yeah, that's better. So where's this heater gonna go? How's it gonna work? But the heater is gonna be installed in this compartment underneath the passenger seat. So I gotta remove the passenger seat, and that's where the heater itself will be installed. Holes will be drilled through the floor of the van. I will have a line and electric going to the fuel tank to seep that diesel fuel into the heater. I've got another line that's going to be the intake for air, fresh air for combustion. Another pipe that's going to come out with a little muffler on it. It's going to be the exhaust. All of that's done outside the van. And then there's an electrical harness that goes to the power source. And then there's another electrical harness or set of wires that go to the control unit. I'm hoping that I can get this done in one day. And if all goes well, by tonight I should have heat all set up for this van. Okay, everything's just as I expected. I see where the fuel pump and line are going to attach to the fuel tank. I see where I'm going to route the fuel line. I see where the heater is going to come through the floor and exhaust and so forth. So I think I'm pretty much good to go. I think the next step is remove that seat and start drawing out the template to drill those holes to mount this heater. So got the seat off of the seat base, but you can see we have a big compartment here for to install this heater. This is the gasket that has the 7 holes that have to be drilled through the seat bottom into the floor of the vehicle. Okay, right there you can see that's the air intake, fresh air going into the heating system. And then several feet away is the exhaust. That's where the diesel exhaust from the heater will go out. Let me roll underneath the van and just show you how it all looks. So, up under the van I've got the exhaust on the right, air intake on the left. Air intake comes down, is clamped in two places as it goes out. Exhaust comes down and is clamped with rubber clamps so they stop vibration in 1, 2, 3. There's the muffler. 4, and then the 5th spot way out here on the step. So there we have it. That's the exhaust system. Now it's time to get to work on the fuel. Let me screw it over here and let's look at what we got. This is the gas tank. This big gray monstrosity right here. It's not that big actually, 20 gallons or something. But underneath here, thank you Sprinter for putting this in, is a tap where I can tap into the fuel. And so I've got to get this little pump installed somehow up in here. All these fittings. I got to go look at the video again, make sure I understand exactly how I'm going to do this. And I also have my fuel line and electrical line, which I need to attach somehow. So anyway, next step, fuel. Okay, let's take a look at what I got accomplished here. So, it's been a long day and I didn't get it done. But, underneath the van, everything's hooked up to the heater properly. Okay. The black line here is the intake. The silver line is exhaust. And this small white line here is fuel. Fuel line plus electrical comes through here. There's the battery plant right there. Pumps the fuel from the tank to the heater. Install of the heater will continue in part 2.